Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison between these two AI presentation slides, which is Gamal and Pitch. Although both are modern presentation tools with AI features, but they work best in different ways, and that's what we're about to look into right now. Gamal uses AI to create slides quickly from your topic or outline. You type your ideas and Gamal generates clean, smart layout with text and visual in minutes. It's great if you want fast AI built presentation without spending time on spending too much time on designing each slide. Now, talking about Pitch focuses mainly on team collaboration and polished slide design. It doesn't generate full desk with AI the way Gamal does, but it gives you strong template, real-time team working features, and professional layouts that are easy to customize. So in my opinion, I think the Gamal is best for quick AI created slide, while Pitch is best for team driving, well-designed presentation, and that's how the two works. I find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.